Hello, book lovers. Welcome back to our story time. Today I am going to read We Could Fly. It's written by Rhiannon Giddens and illustrated by Brianna Mukudiri Uchendu. Let's read this book. Mama, dear Mama, look in yonder tree. See that pretty little sparrow are looking back at me. Daughter, dear daughter, I see that birdie there. She knows the time has come. There's something in the air. Daughter, dear daughter, I'll tell this thing to you. That little birdie sees in you the same things that I do. Mama, oh see, she can soar above the clouds so high. She can fly away from here. Why, oh why can't I? Daughter, dear daughter, I'll tell you something true. Remember your granny Liza? Well, every night she flew. They tried to keep her down, but there was nothing they could do. She could fly, she could fly, she could sleep the bonds of earth and rise so high. She could fly across the river, her spirit in her hands, searching, always searching for the promised land. Mama, dear Mama, please, Mama, tell me more. I have a trembling in my arms now that I have never felt before. Daughter, dear daughter, listen what I say. Your granny always told me you'd feel that way someday. Every time she looked at you, she saw the old-time ways. In those times, how we could fly, we'd sleep the bonds of earth and rise so high. We'd fly across the mountains, together hand in hand, searching, always searching for the promised land. Mama, dear Mama, come and stand by me. I feel a lightness in my feet, a longing to be free. My heart, it is a shaking with my granny's song. I hear her voice a saying, it's time for moving on. Goodbye, dear little sparrow. It's time for us to go. Now, Mama, let us join the journey started long ago. And she took her Mama by the hand. They rose up in the air. They held each other tight and then they flew away from there. They could fly, they could fly. They could sleep the bonds of earth and fly so high. They could fly across the ocean, hand in hand, searching, always searching for that promised land. Thank you all. Goodbye.